All right, really quick tip here for those of you who don't want your Creminas to, well, tip over. So I have a Cremina 67 with a naked coffee piston profiling kit here, so I can show you the pressure. Basically, with a lot of these Creminas, if you push down on the lever too hard, you may have found your machine actually, well, tips over. That's actually a great way to know what pressure you're pulling your coffee at. So if you ever see, and you're just using one hand, for example, if you ever see your machine start to kind of tip over, you're pulling above 6 bars. So honestly, I've actually only been keeping my pressure around 6 bars anyway. I really prefer the espressos at 6 bars. But for those of you who want to pull, say, your coffee at 9 bars, or you want a more, say, traditional shot here, this is what I've been doing to make sure the machine doesn't tip over. So I've prepped a puck here, and let me show you here. So what's really nice about the Cremina, even though it's really small and heavy and it doesn't slide around like something like a Europiccola, the machine will tip over. So how do you prevent that from happening? Wow, it's very simple. What you can do is two methods. One is you hold your portafilter, you push down with your right hand on the machine to prevent the machine from moving this way, or what I much prefer, I don't really like holding a portafilter, especially when there's hot water and pressure and all of that, because if you accidentally move it, you get crazy portafilter sneezes, you have a bad time, is I take my left hand, or right hand, depending on if you're left or right-handed, and luckily, because the Cremina actually has a drip tray and a section down here, is I just take my left hand, I push down, and I just hold the machine down like so. Let me show you here. So I lift the lever up, and basically, well, let me show you what happens if I go up to above 6 bars. So as you see there, I push down the lever really hard. I'm past 6 bars, or about 6 bars here. The machine is tipping over. So all you got to do is you hold down with your left hand, and then you can pull up at 9 bars. So there you go. I'm at, what, 9 bars there. So that is how I've been pulling these Cremina shots at above 6 bars, is I just use my left hand there, I push the machine down, push that tray down there, and I don't run the risk of, well, moving accidentally. Say I move my hand and the portafilter explodes, that would be bad. And I just have a good time. So that's how I pull the 9 bars, pull high pressure on a Cremina without it tipping over. And there's my espresso, which I clearly ground a little bit too fine for this demonstration. But yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for spending time watching the video. I'll be posting a video about the Cremina versus Europiccola very soon, and then a video just only about the Cremina. But see you guys around.